Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. Today, we will be showing you guys how to change your default programs for when you double click on things, such as a video or a picture or even a link to a web page. So first we're going to open up settings, and then you're going to go to apps, and then right here in the sidebar underneath apps, it'll say default apps. You can see right here, it says choose default apps with the default apps, all from Microsoft, as to what opens what. Now, there's not a whole lot that I've installed on my work computer, but right here under video player, choose a default. Right here, it recommends for Windows 10 the Microsoft Movies in TV app, but I am going to choose to use VLC Media Player because it has a lot more codexes in it. But you can easily change your web browser here, your photo viewer, your music player, maps, or email. And it even gives you more control down here to choose default apps by file type. Okay, and as you can see here, these are file types right here on the left. And then right here, you can choose what it opens with. This is a pretty extensive list of well-known file types and what you can choose to have them open with. This gives you a lot of power over what default program opens what. You can also choose default apps by protocol. You can see here, these are the protocols. Mail 2 is a common one. Your LDAP. This might be a little bit more control than most people need, but it allows you to sign a protocol like call to Skype. And then set defaults by app. So you can go to like 3D viewer, manage, and then it'll have the file types. So you really do have a lot of power to set your default applications in Windows. Now, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial today. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.